Hey guys, welcome to Solutions Room. If you love making homemade products, then try this homemade shaving cream. On the shelf, shaving creams and foams can really dry out your skin. This homemade shaving cream will make your skin extremely soft and keep the razor bumps away. All you need is a bowl, a hand mix or a whisk, 1 cup of solid coconut oil, make sure it's not melted, and you can use any essential oil, even vanilla extracts for this part. I'm opting for the lavender oil, which I bought from Holland & Barrett. You'll only need 3 to 4 drops of this. So just get your bowl, throw your coconut oil in the bowl and whisk it for 5 minutes or till it's nice and creamy, like so. Now add your choice of essential oil or extract and whisk it again till everything's combined. And that's it! This is how your end result should look like. You can place this mixture in an airtight container, just apply some on your arm or wherever you want to shave and see how nice your body would smell and feel soft. You wouldn't even need to use moisturizer after showering, I'll promise you that one. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today. If you've ever tried this, don't forget to leave a comment below, share your experience, and if you're going to try it, then make sure to hit the like button, share this video with someone in need and subscribe now. Bye for now.